We are here today to announce the winner of this FODSPORT FX6 Bluetooth unit. Now, the competition has been running for a week. I released the giveaway video last Monday, and as I said, today is Monday the 17th, and this is the winner. As I explained on the video last week, I'm obviously going to use a website to release the winner, so I'm not going to pick it, so there's no favoritism. You just copy the URL, and I'm using a website called Raffles or Raffles. Here we go then, I've copied the video's URL, going on to the Raffles website, place the URL, there we go, that is the video. For this event there's going to be one winner and then one runner-up, so if the winner doesn't get in contact then the runner-up will obviously win the prize, but fingers crossed whoever wins it gets in contact and sees my message on the original video. As I said before, there is no minimum entry requirements for this, for the amount of people. It's just going to be whoever has commented on it. And here we go then, the winner for the FODSPORT FX6 is Exit Wound 78. Congratulations to you. And the runner-up, just in case Exit Wound doesn't get in contact, is going to be user RB8YO4PH60. So massive congratulations to Exit Wound 78. You have won yourself FODSPORT FX6. Hopefully by now you've seen your comment on the original video from last week, so please make sure you send me an email and then I'll be getting this unit straight over to you. The next prize on the giveaway is going to be a CarPureRide Apple CarPlay Android Auto 7-inch screen. So if you want to see that video, top right hand corner, that's my unboxing installation. I'll be doing a giveaway coming up within the next few weeks for that unit. As always, if you want to be in a chance to win it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Again, congratulations, Exit Wound 78. And until the next one, ride safe.